scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Long-run growth questions look tricky, but this one is fast if you focus on what actually increases an economy's productive capacity over time. Long-run economic growth comes from bigger productive capacity, usually through better technology, stronger capital, or higher productivity, not just a temporary bump in spending, demand, or short-term business activity. That makes the technology tax credit stand out because it pushes firms to upgrade equipment and methods, which raises productivity and expands how much the economy can produce later. The other choices mostly change current behavior or aggregate demand, while higher interest rates can even slow investment, so they do not drive long-run growth. Well done! Option D, scan now. Don't rush toward short-term spending changes. Trust what boosts productivity and productive capacity for lasting growth.